Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Unbanned from Omegle, right? So let's open that website. Just go to any of the browser and in the search bar you have to type omegle.com, right? And if I want to just want to a video chat, I will just allow these terms and conditions and click on the continue, and I have to give some few conditions here, some permission. Okay, so I'll just allow it. And after that, as you can see here that you can use the Omegle, right? So I will just stop it, and if I click on the new, they will find a new unknown person, right? So I will just here stop it. Okay, and let's say somehow I'm just getting banned, then you have to do one thing. You have to just turn off your Wi-Fi, and just once you turn off the Wi-Fi and just on the flight mode, and after that you turn on the Wi-Fi, right? So in this way there is some issue of internet connection, or some way your server is not able to connect to the Omegle. They will try to rectify it, right? And the other option is that you can just turn on the mobile data too, and make sure that when you are using the mobile data, don't use the Wi-Fi at the same time, right? So in this way you can fix it, but if it doesn't solve this problem, you can just go to the incognito mode and you can use it there, right? So this is the only way where you can fix it, and in this way you will get unbanned from Omegle, right? So this is it guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, like this video right now, subscribe channel, and see you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.